Syempre, I want to thank you sa support mo and everything that you've been doing for us. And I don't know if your birthday's over with or it's still going to happen, but basta I hope either you had a great birthday or you will have a great birthday.
Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. See you soon.
Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. See you soon.
Happy birthday sa'yo. I wish you many more birthdays to come. I'm happy sa lahat ng mga narating mo. Ikaw na talaga ang pinaka-talented. You know everything na. Nag-dance workshop ka pa. Ikaw na talaga. Wala nang iba. So, I'm happy for you. Congratulations sa lahat ng achievements mo. Stay happy. Stay funny. Stay that way. Happy birthday and
Happy birthday. Hope you have a great birthday. Wish you good health and enjoy your birthday. Take care always.
Happy birthday, May! Oh, joke lang! Kala mo yun lang, no? O, di ba? Masaya. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Ang tagal ko nang hindi yata nakakita ng mga fan work mo. So, pa-tweet na lang para makita ko.
Hindi regalo sa kayo.
Ito ang birthday gift ko sa'yo. Ayan. So, at any time na gusto mo na i-claim, just come to the shooting of Who's That Girl.
I-claim.
I-claim mo na yan. Itong crispy pata. Again,